Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra issue 54. More work on the engine, so it's going to be a bit slow on this one, so I'll just do bits at a time because I don't want to make a long video of this. So if you're enjoying these videos, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, issue 54 magazine. And we're going to do electric control unit ECU. As you see, lots of bits to do, fitting the engine, more pipe work to put on, which I know is going to be a nightmare, fitting bits into the engine. So we'll see how we get on. So there's the pieces. We'll get them open and we'll crack on. Put the mic over here a bit so you can hear us. We forgot about that mic. So as I say, so here's the bits. We'll get it open and we'll crack on. Okay, what I've got to do is get them into there. Then get that top on and then fix it together with an AP screw. I'm going to take, this is going to be fun to do, so I'll get that done and I'll come back. Then I put that bit on, then I put that bit on to there, so I'll get that done and come back to you. Okay, I'm now going to get this piece and this small pipe. And as I said before, pipes are going to be nothing but trouble, so I'm going to have to get some water, fill it on, and I'll show you that when it's done. I don't know if you can see, I'll bring the camera down, but if I do all this off camera, it's so hard to see. So I've put that on, that's where them wires are in. I've put that on, and I've put that on, all wired up. So that's them three done. So right, take the core out of the way for the tick. Move the camera up. And now what I've got to do is I've got to put some labels on. So labels on these. And then I'll put them on them and then put them in the so 2 labels on these, they go in there and they go into the car. So I'll get them done and I'll be back to you. And there's them tanks on. Okay, I'm going to lift the cord away. That's us done with this issue with the car. I've got swing my camera back up. I've got one more thing to put on. That's this tape, which is going to go on the bulkhead. By the looks of it, goes on this side. These pipes are made to go on. And there she goes, that's that on the bulkhead. So that's issue 54 finished. So what's issue 55? If you look. So 55, more working on the engine, but it looks like we're putting the right engine beer panel in. So putting the stuff on the panel and then fixing it in. Yep, and that's all we're doing in issue 55. So we'll do that next week, so we'll catch you later. Hope you enjoyed this build. I've tried to make it as short as possible and just showed you what I've put in, because these pipes have been taking a long time. So I'll say don't forget to subscribe and catch you next week. So bye for now.